Is your higher AC remote not working? Try these simple fixes before replacing the remote. First, replace the batteries. Install two fresh batteries. And make sure the positive and negative terminals are positioned correctly. Next, check the remote display. If the screen is black or very dim, the batteries may be weak or the remote may have an internal problem. Then make sure nothing is blocking the remote sensor. Point the remote directly toward the AC's indoor unit and try pressing the power button from a short distance. If that doesn't work, reset the remote. Remove the batteries. Press and hold the power button for several seconds. Reinstall the batteries and test it again. You can also check whether the AC itself is receiving power. Make sure the unit is plugged in and the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Another useful test is to check the remote's infrared signal. Using a smartphone camera, point the remote toward the camera and press a button. If you see a flashing light from the remote's infrared LED, it's sending a signal. If the remote works but the AC doesn't respond, the problem may be with the AC's receiver or control system, rather than the remote. Finally, check your specific higher model's manual for remote lock, timer or operating mode settings. If none of these steps work, the remote or RC receiver may need professional diagnosis or replacement. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe and share it with someone having the same problem.